Brand new 2025 Toyota Camry. See it right there? I'm going to show you how to take the dash speaker out. You ready? Look at this. Something like this. Links in the description. Or something similar. You want to get between the dash. There you go. Pull this puppy up. Come on. Oh, didn't break. Don't worry. Now we want to get in here with something. So let's get sockets. Did I really show you? Did I really show you how to take these guys out? Look at this. 10 mil and a ratchet. Then you take it off the ratchet and then use the socket to do it by hand. Now you pull the speaker out. Will you have a new speaker? No, but these are the newer style jumpers. Ooh, I don't like these. I don't understand this. So they're running high power through a tweeter, right? And then here's your part number, right? But then if you want to go aftermarket, you got to get this stupid plug. So I'll try to find something and put it in the description. And we'll take it from there and leave it at that. And that's probably a 2.5. So we'll put these guys back. And we'll have everything, if it's available at the time. This thing's brand spanky new. So we will say like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.